let us go with the problem number 46 here. Right here, a truck requires 108 liters of diesel. So it requires 108 liters of diesel to cover 594 kilometers. So what we need to find? We need to find how many liters of diesel is required. So to cover 1650 kilometers. It is again ratio problem. See, you can write down like this: 108 for 108 liter it requires it is going to cover 594 kilometers. For how many liters of diesel will it cover 1650 kilometers? So this and this. So what happens here? So 594x is equal to 1650 into 108. X is equal to 1650 into 108, that divided by 594. Now simplify it here. See what happens. This I can divide by 9. 9 2 1s are 9 2s are. This will become 1650 into 12, that divided by 66. Correct. Now again we need to check out this. Right. Let me start by 3. Right. So 3 I'll start. 3 4s are 3, 2s are 2s are. Right. This will become 1650 into 4 by 22. Right. So now directly, so I can go with the again 2. Correct. 2 2s are 2 11s. Multiply this and divide, you will get the answer. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 11. Now divide this. 11 1s are 11 3s. So we need 300 liters of diesel to cover a distance 1650 kilometers. So answer is 300 liters. Hope you understood.